All right, everybody, please check your answers for Core Bites number 10 and make sure you have your corrected answers. The first one says determine the rule and complete the table. So whatever you do at the top must apply to all of them and you do to the bottom. So basically, as we say, whatever goes in must also come out. It's got to be that same system, okay? So how do you go from 2 to 4? You multiply by 2. Okay, and as you can see, the numbers are increasing on both sides. Well, how do you go from 5 to 10? You multiply by 2. How do you go from 7 to 14? You multiply by 2. So if that rule works here, it must work here too. So 4 times 2 would give you 8. So you can see your rule would be multiply by 2. And as you see, 2, 4, 5, 7, 4, 8, 10, 14. The rule applies for both. For the second one, it says find the difference of 179 and 48. That means you must subtract. So we're going to put the largest number on top, 179. We're going to subtract 48. Okay? So whenever you do that, if you say 9 minus 8 gives us 1, 7 minus 4 gives us 3, bring down that 1, so your answer is 131. For the next one, we're trying to see which of these models represents the sum of 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so if you look, here you have the 3 pieces together equals 3/3 equals 3. Okay? But they're all in the same fraction. Here you've got 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, but it doesn't tell you the rest of the problem. Here you have 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals all 3 of them together, filling up the thirds, which gives you 3/3, which gives us 1 whole. So the best answer that completes that whole problem would be C. For number 4, it says Madison wants to build a 20-foot by 40-foot kennel for her dog. What will the perimeter of the kennel be? So with perimeter, you have to do the outside. So we know there's going to be 2 shorter sides. There's going to be 2 longer sides. So you're going to have 20 feet this side, 20 feet this side, 40 feet this side, 40 feet this side. So let's go back and let's add our unit. So then for perimeter, all you do is add the outside. So you could definitely do that in your head. 4, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 2 more will give you 12, plus your 0 would be 120. Or you could actually add it up and do 40, 40, 20, 20. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your total would be 120 feet. And then for the last one, it says, is this angle acute or obtuse? Acute angles are anything less than 90. This one is greater than 90. So this would be obtuse. All right, guys, make sure you check your corrections and let us know if you have questions.